Meaning of enchanting.
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 Enchanting. Enchanting means charming or fascinating in a way that captures attention and creates a sense of delight. It is an adjective used to describe something that is captivating or beguiling, such as a person, a place, or an experience. When something is enchanting, it has the power to captivate and entrance people, drawing them in and holding their attention. This can create feelings of joy, wonder, and excitement, making it a memorable and enjoyable experience. Enchanting sights, sounds, and experiences can be found all around us, adding beauty and joy to our lives.